Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a web cache poisoning lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is web cache poisoning via unkeyed query parameter. So the lab is vulnerable because it excludes a certain parameter from the cache key using Chrome. Poison the cache that executes alert 1 in the victim's browser. A hint, websites often exclude certain UTM analytics parameters from the cache key. All right. Well, let's take a look. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate it. So UTM analytics, that's our hint. Let's click around here, see what we get. Might even need to leave a comment. Let's do that. Blah, 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 and blah. Whoops. .com. It's on the home page, though. That's what they said. So maybe that stuff wasn't actually necessary. Let's see what we got. HTTP history. All right. So let's look for the analytics. Age cache hit. Huh. I wonder how we got a hit. Oh, I must have visited right after header. Okay, so let's send this to repeater. We got a hit. There we got a miss. But unless we also need... Okay. All right, so that looks like where we're going to get our XSS. Boom. So let's see. And it's in the head again, but we'll do the same as we did last time. So single quotes, and then boom, boom. And then we'll do script console.log 1 and script. Or we can just, script. Like that. And we'll have this, but that's okay. We'll leave that. So I'm going to highlight this. Control U. It's all fine. Miss. Now we want to see send to repeater if we get this hit. But notice how we don't have our stuff hit. So let's see. So this is where we need to find something. UTM. I don't remember reading. We need to find something that will make this seem like the same response for the same query as this so that the cache is written. Let's look. Exploiting cache implementation or design. I don't know if it's key header, unkeyed cookie, multiple headers, unknown header. So it must be implementation. Unkeyed query string, unkeyed query parameters. UTM content. All right. So let's go to here. Don't have our thing anymore, and that's because we got a hit 15 seconds, so 35. Now we got a miss with our thing, and if we hit here, boom, there we go. All right, so that's how we're going to do it. Pretty cool. We're going to use the UTM content. That's going to be viewed as the same request as this, so it's not keyed differently. And we're going to put our payload here, which gets written directly right here. And that's how we're going to exploit it. So let's start writing our exploit, our script. It is whatever. I just need this. No, this. And Python utils create script for that. And we're going to copy this, paste it, and vim web cache via parameter. All right, what I said, we're going to do this just like we did the last one, which I think was this one, right? Oh, well. We'll do it payload. Poison cache, poison URL. Yeah, this will work. We're going to do it just like this one. So let me import quote, import time, and this is wrong. So from URL lib.parse import quote. That means it goes here. We've got the right thing there. Here we want base URL. We want UTM content equals, right? UTM content equals single quote, and then end, single quote, and then boom, our payload, which is right. If response. So while true, we're going to get or try to poison, request this URL. If the headers say hit, it's not poison. So we're going to wait for age seconds. And then we're going to loop back through. If when we poison the cache, it says miss cache, we're going to say cache is poisoned. We're going to wait 20 seconds. And then we're going to check if it's solved. If it is, we're going to break. That will work. So Python web cache. Oh, duh. That's the whole reason I pasted it. So I could just arrow up. All right, that should be it. So I hope you understand what's going on here. This UTM content equals is ignored for a cache key. And that's important to us because then we can put our payload into this parameter and have it be cached the same as if somebody, just viewed the home page without this parameter. Because of the XSS, we then can poison that, get the home page view with, what we have here. Cache is not poisoned. Cache is poisoned. We did not get it. So let's see how we're doing here. We're getting the home page. And then here, we got this. We got a hit. We got a miss. So it's poisoned. And then we waited 20 seconds. Let's see how we're doing. Lab is solved. Sweet. All right. Let's pull this up. Get our banner. Close these. Aha! We even got ourselves. All right. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.